Hey guys, so it's gonna be our first video for our beauty channel, and what we're gonna do is like wavy, like beach waves for like summer and everything. So first thing is, oh gosh, and oh crap,
Do we need a comb?
no, we don't need to come. And then you're gonna need little elastic thingies. You can use these, or we're using like colorful ones. Okay, and you're going to need heat spray. This is Herbal Essences heat protectant spray stuff, and a straightener. Mine is the Cortex International. Yeah.
This is a really quick and easy way to do nice waves.
Okay, hold on. Alright, so turn your straightener on.
Let it
Second
get up.
thing, brush hair out. Like, get all the tangles out. And if you need to get, like, if you have big tangles, like, use a comb like she did. But we already got it out.
The lighting is
Oh, yeah, the lighting's kind of bad in here. Yeah, so brush here. Brush it. Second step, it's going to be, you do like 5 to 10, like, sections. And what did it say, twist or braid?
braid.
Okay. So, turn your head. Yeah, there we go. And start braiding, like normal braid. Oops. Try and get the sections pretty even. Braid your hair. And braid. Yeah. Braid. Like, you can see, like,
And try to braid it as far down as you can. So the
yeah.
waves.
Like, if you have pretty long hair, this is going to work better. Short hair, you can try it. But, like, if you have short hair and layers, it's not going to work, like, too good. Oops. And when the layers start popping out, just, like, you can just end it. And take an elastic and secure the hair. This is pretty short, but you can always, like, you know, curl it with a straightener. I mean, like, wave it, whatever. And we're just gonna, for this one, I'm gonna, since my straightener's heated up, show you what to do with it. And,
The braid.
And, okay, so you take the braid and use your heat protectant spray. You can use whatever. We're just using this.
Don't get it in my face.
Yeah. And just, like, lightly spray it so you don't get it wet or anything. Take your straightener that's hooked on something. And take a straightener and just, like, run it down the braid. This. Kind of slow. Just do it a few times. And you can, like, you know, like, just, like, curl the ends, so they're not straight, but they're kind of wavy. And just, like, keep running it on the braids, like that. And what you're going to do now is continue the braids.
Are we just gonna do half of my head or my whole head?
Yeah, we're just going to do the half for the video, but, you know, obviously do your whole head. And it's so easy to do this on yourself because just normal braiding on your hair is easy, but I was just showing you guys on Giovanna's hair. And what you would want to like do all the braids at one time, and then you would want to and then like, you know, run the straightener on them. But we are just showing you this way for the video. And her layers are coming out right now. Again. Hold on. Take an elastic and open it up. Take it on the hair. Wrap it around. Doves, just easy. And the good thing about these, like the little ones, the colored ones, these ones, is that they're really stretchy. So I go around here. Again, spray, straightener, and run it. Kind of slow, so you can really get it heated up. And you can like go like this and just like, you know, go in parts, I guess you would say. And kind of, oops, that one didn't do so well. Curl the ends a little bit, like, and they're gonna kind of like start looking funny because of the way you pull the straightener. Alright, we're just gonna do one more since it's kind of taking up a lot of time. Yeah, we're just gonna do half her head. Alright, and towards the back, it's gonna get harder to grab pieces, but like just take them over your shoulder and braid it. And like in the back, you can do bigger pieces because, you know, it's not like around your face or anything, so it's not really gonna matter if they're smaller. And you want to do this with like, you can do it with like, you know, like second day hair, because it's gonna like add to the beach look. I'm so slow at braiding. Whoa, this one looks funny. It's uneven. And stop wherever it ends. Maybe an elastic. Open. Wrap it. Wrap it all the way tight. This one looks funny, look. I don't know if you can tell. It kind of looks funny. Okay. Whatever. Spray. And you, like, when you hold it, you gotta hold it out, like far away, because otherwise it's gonna get wet and it's gonna burn your hair when you use your straightener. Oh, I'm sorry. And if you don't want to use heat, what you can do is take like just like a bunch of braids in your hair and sleep on it, but it's gonna look crimped more than wavy. So this is going to give you waves. Kind of perfect. Just like pull it around, whatever. See, curly baby. Okay. And now you sit for a few minutes, but we only have time to sit. So
These ones have sit though.
yeah, I'm just gonna play with it. Looky, ta-da!
Ooh, fancy.
Fancy. Okay. let's take them out. Ooh. And see what they look like. These things are hard to get out, though.
You want me to do this one?
Yeah, take that one out. I just broke this. Okay, that works too. Breaking it. Confetti!
Okay, do that one first.
Look at this. Ta-da! And if you leave it longer, it's gonna be more wavy. Like this second one isn't as wavy. But look. See, it's nice and wavy. This third one's not going to be wavy at all. Because we just did it. But you should like wait like 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Wait as long as you can. Cause
Yeah. It's going to help the longer you wait. This one is like fairly wavy.
Because we just did it.
Just took it out. But that is the look. And you could like, you know, twist a part back for whatever. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like this.
Comment, subscribe.